My name is John, and this is my Xbox 360 mod. Basically what I did is I put a 7-inch monitor in the front. As you can see, there's that controller. You get this controller to sync. Okay. Cycle through. Pretty cool little mod. Everything's flash, clean. Anyways, that's my mod. I hope you think it's sick. Thanks.